Today I'm cooking hot and spicy eggplant pickle. You can store this in fridge up to 3 to 4 weeks. Cut eggplant in small cubes, add salt and leave it for an hour. Make a fine paste of all spices with vinegar. Squeeze eggplant to remove the moisture. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Take same oil, add sliced garlic, curry leaves, spice paste, turmeric, paprika and cumin powder. Cook it all until oil separates in pan. Add jaggery and mix it all well together. This is pickle and it needs oil, so don't hesitate to put extra oil. Add eggplant and mix it all well together with light hand. Let it cool down and fill in clean and dry container. This pickle has all taste. It is hot, spicy, sweet and tangy. Enjoy.